I'm going to be singing Before You Go. I will not be recording myself because I can't deal with a camera apparently. So, yeah. I'm just going to sing a part of it. Okay. Here it goes. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So, before you go. Yeah.